This is cheese skull salad for Halloween. Scary, but delicious.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. We're going to need 6 ounces of mozzarella cut into small cubes, and the cubes should be about the size of your skull mold cavities. That's just a candy mold with little Halloween skulls in it. Put the cheese in the microwave on a plate for about 3-4 seconds, just until it starts to make a little puddle and starts to melt. Then lift it off the plate, put it in the mold, and just gently press down with a spoon. And what you want to do is you want that melted cheese to fill in the cavities of the skull mold. Once your little skull molds are filled, put them in the refrigerator and allow that cheese to set. And then you're going to have to kind of pry them out of the molds. This can be a little bit of a challenge, but if you use either the end of the spoon or the bowl of the spoon, you can kind of tease them out and you'll have a pretty authentic looking skull, especially in the white mozzarella. So you're going to do that until you use up all 6 ounces of your cheese, and obviously it'd be helpful if you had more than one skull mold because you don't have to keep going back and forth to the fridge. Now for the marinade and the dressing, that's 1/3 cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Italian herbs, and salt and pepper to taste. I put about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Give that a whisk and then just pop in your little mozzarella cheese skulls, stir them around, and then you're going to throw these in the refrigerator and let them marinate for a couple of hours. I found this idea on a website called Ghouls at Heart, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to go check it out. I did alter the recipe for the salad just a little bit. This is 2 cobs of corn that have been boiled, and I've sliced off the kernels. You could also grill the corn. That's 3 green onions sliced into small pieces, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half, and 6 basil leaves cut into thin strips. Then add your cheese with the dressing into the bowl. Give it a gentle stir because you don't want to break up those corn kernels. It looks nice with them in little clusters. And then it's done. You're ready to serve it. This is a really nice salad just on its own, even with or without skull cheese. But the skulls turned out really good because the dressing kind of goes in the eye sockets and around the teeth and that, and it makes them look really creepy. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more savory Halloween food ideas, check out my channel. I'll put a link in the description box and on your screen to my playlist. Thanks for watching.